Okay, so I have my red onion, jalapeno, and garlic. I'm going to be making a jalapeno jam for my sirloin burgers. I heated up the oil. We're going to pour those veggies in there, and we're going to let that cook a little bit. Not too, we don't want them to be translucent, basically. I'm going to pour our brown sugar in there, and just going to let that cook down. That's about a third cup of brown sugar. And then we're going to add a little bit of water. I think this is about maybe a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of water. But just enough to get this going. You don't want it to cover the veg, but So a little lemon juice to cut that brown sugar, And then you're going to let this cook down really well. And I just want you guys to listen. Listen at this next clip. Oh my gosh, do you hear that? So now that it's ready, you take it out of the pan, let it cool down, let it set for about 30 to 40 minutes. You can put it in the fridge if you want, or you can keep it at room temp. So now we're going to move on to our carrot fries. These are going to be going into the oven, and I'm going to put olive oil, a little Tony's Creole seasoning, and then black pepper. Now these already came carrot sticks, but I thinned them out because the carrot sticks were too thick. So I'm gonna just put that on a parchment lined sheet pan, and we're gonna pop this in a 400-degree oven. And you don't really have to cook it at 400 degrees. I just did because sometimes when I cook, I'm sort of in a rush, but not really. And you really want to pay close attention. Don't forget about the carrot fries, guys, because they will burn if you aren't paying attention. So we're going to move on here to our sirloin burgers. Listen at that. Awesome, right? So I already mixed these, just a simple seasoning, Worcestershire sauce, and yeah, it was really that basic. I didn't put an egg in there because I wanted that flavor. I didn't want a soft burger. You can do your outdoor grill if you want to. So we're gonna assemble our burgers. I've already put mayonnaise on the tops. I have this is a brioche type bun I got from the Publix bakery. I have toasted some of the buns. I'm using mayonnaise, the jalapeno jam, and with this particular burger, I'm doing a feta burger. So you'll see, I'm going to put lettuce. I'm going to add the red onion, a fresh red onion, well, a slice of the red onion, and then I'm going to add the feta cheese. I really like feta, especially if lettuce is involved. I love feta. So feta crumbles, and then we're going to add our tomato. And at this point, you can add whatever kind of cheese you want. I just preferred feta. I usually don't even like cheeseburgers, but I like this one. Okay, I like this one. And just look at that. Now, guys, these are the buns that you have to cut. So if they're not in shape really, because I'm horrible at cutting buns, slicing buns, I guess. So the next one is a brie burger. I got the brie from Publix. So creamy. I love brie. I didn't realize how much I liked brie. I don't even think I actually had brie. I think I've had brie before, but it was I can't remember it. But this was so creamy. And again, like I said, I don't even like cheeseburgers, but this is, I don't know. So I basically went with the same thing on this burger, except changed the cheese out. And I also managed to saute some onions. I'm going to put the onions on top of there. So we got the jalapeno jam with the red onions and an onion on there. I'm going to be onioned out, guys. I did not use this ketchup because I felt like that was going to take away from the other flavors. So I did not put mustard. I did not put ketchup. But you can do whatever you want to do. It's your burger. Just look at that when you slice it. It was so juicy. It was so delicious, crunchy. The bread was fresh. The cheese just set it off. The feta burger, I must say, was the best one because of the feta. Like, you know how the feta tastes? It just tastes so good. So guys, this is a great recipe to use for any day of the week, basically, if you're craving burgers. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and hope you find it as easy as I did. Bye.